Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's absence at the lavish wedding of prominent businessman KUTYA Grace's son has sparked widespread speculation, with many questioning whether the country's second in command was deliberately snubbed or simply not invited to the exclusive ceremony. Sabida mashuka tunoti nyika yese the eyes are on VP Chiwenga, vachiti sei VP aiwa hatinazoziva kuti even namai Chiwenga when it comes to these events ndopanouya vakapfeka maoutfit anonwisa mvura, but panguva ino they decided to go to the farm. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. The high profile wedding, which reportedly attracted some of Zimbabwe's most influential business people, politicians, socialites, became one of the most talked about events over the weekend. However, social media users were quick to notice the absence of VP Chiwenga, a key figure often seen at major national and elite gatherings. Instead of attending the glamorous wedding celebrations, Chiwenga was reportedly seen at Zvake farm alongside the governor of the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe RBZ. The visit immediately fueled speculation online, with some suggesting the vice president may not have been made the guest list for Tabire family event. Chibara is a farm located in Bhora Musango district. It's a highly productive, large-scale commercial agricultural estate managed under the dictatorship of the Chiwenga family. Sources say the vice president spent part of the day inspecting operations at the farm, although the timing of the visit has raised eyebrows given the significance of Tabire wedding. Political analysts and social commentators have since interpreted the development in different ways, with some linking it to possible tensions with this powerful political and business circles. Others, however, argue that Chiwenga may simply have chosen to prioritize official or personal commitments over attending the private ceremony. Neither the office of the president, the office of the vice president, nor the Tabire family is publicly commented to the matter. The absence of senior political figures at elite social events often attracts public attention in Zimbabwe, particularly when such gatherings involve influential business people with close ties to the country's leadership. Ndoma developments are kuda pangu ino pireko section methods of imo kuti pamusoro pechituko ichi. Musasubscribe waleka, watch it on the bell icon.